Hello YouTube, back here again doing some network testing, and in this series of testing that I'm doing right now, this is the Metro by T-Mobile series. So I got Metro by T-Mobile on the right hand side, and I've used currently about 13.55 gigs of data, and then we're comparing it network wise to Magenta Max. So Magenta Max is on the left hand side. Want to see over the course of a month what the priority access look like as you start going higher and higher into the data. So right now we're at 13.5 gigs, and I'm going to test these directly to each other. So right here, first speed test. Not going to do them at the same time. Want to see what the priority looks like for each one individually. When I do the download test, I will put them against each other directly. So currently right now we're getting 459.3 down by 51 up. And then now for Metro, and Metro is giving us 282 down by like it's 35 up. Now I'm gonna do them against right side by side. So that means that if I was on a tower and somebody else had Metro and they were on a tower at the same time, we would be going head up against each other, pulling data. See what happens. So right now, as you see, Metro takes second seat behind somebody that's on Magenta. So 586 down, and looking like it's going to be about 36 up, 85 down, 26 up. So we're going to do this for the speed test. Metro is on the right. T-Mobile Magenta is on the left. We're doing Magenta first. And as you can see, 483 down, and it looks like it's going to be about 50 up. And now Metro. Look like T-Mobile's trying to work on that priority access, giving Metro a little bit less compared to their actual plans on their postpaid service. So 315 down and 47.2 up. Now directly against each other. As you can see, priority access gets pulled, and Metro takes back seat from the looks of it. Magenta Max looks like it takes the highest priority currently right now. So Metro is at 132 down and 36.1 up, and Magenta Max 436 down and 51 up. All right. You already know about fast. And to the people who have messaged me through this series already, my first video, you can also add on a HD package onto the Metro, but in the me testing this so you can see the differences, I did not go out for that package. So 130 for fast, 2.3 megabits per second for Metro. Doing imperv. Imperv is going to be head up against each other. Doing both at the same time. As you can see, the priority access still goes to Magenta Max. They're both currently in essay. Going through the browsing. Now we're to the streaming. .1080p. Waiting for 1080p for Metro right now. But as you can see, it's buffering for 1080p. So streaming is not going to be as good if you was on postpaid, 94% compared to 77. Browsing on both is pretty much the same. 433 down and 58 up. 110 down, 38 up. So what happens when we get ready to download? So we're going to download this app, which is about 700 megs, directly against each other. Make sure you keep a look at the ticker down here. That will let you know how much data is being pulled on the download down here. So that way you can get a good idea about what the priority access might look like. So download over the network. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, as you can see here, 273. Metro is flying in comparison to Magenta. That looks pretty good for only being at about 10 gigs currently. And Metro finished the download. That is very impressive. If you're looking to have Metro as a service, right now Magenta is not downloading as fast. But this is a month-long test. So what happens when you get further along into your data? And it is at 97%. There you go. So as you can see, the difference in priority doesn't really matter when it comes to downloading. It looks like Metro gets the beans regardless, but could that be the fact that it's not all the way to like higher gigs on the plan yet? We're gonna find out Thank y'all for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. If you like this video, hey, leave your comments below. Feel free to tell me what you think about this testing. And I'll see y'all on the next go round.